Happy Monday and welcome back, my friends. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend, but this is Lindsay coming back at you with more work from home job leads. We are starting the week off strong with a healthcare company that has over 1,000 work from home jobs available right now, so there is something for everyone. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and we bring them to you on a daily basis. And of course, any of the jobs that I discuss will be linked in the description box below. And of course, I'm simply sharing what I find online. I do not work for any of these companies and do not have any additional information outside of what was posted in the job description. But with that being said, the company Elevance Health, they are hiring over 1,000 remote work from home positions right now. I have two to share with you today, specifically in the healthcare billing and pharmacy field. But first, I just wanted to show this is their main job page, which will be linked down, of course, in the description below. There's a little box on the left side of it that says remote working only. If you click that box to make sure there is a blue check mark in it and then hit apply filters, it will filter down to all of the positions that are only rehiring remote work from home. They have right now 1,031 different positions, so there's something for everyone. If you're a licensed nurse or anything like that, you might want to scroll through here and see if there's anything that interests you. You can, of course, type in keywords and filter it down even further. And if you have any questions about any of the jobs, there's a pop-up chat box right here that says chat with one of our recruiting assistants. That is in the right-hand corner. I hope my screen capture is capturing this, but you can just click there and chat with one of their recruiting assistants. But what might appeal to most of you is they are hiring a billing claims rep for their health and dental. Now, this claims rep will be responsible for completing the required basic training, so they will offer training, and the job functions will be learning the activities tasks associated with the role. You'll have to work under direct supervision, rely on others' instructions and guidance, and work to review technical accuracy and soundness. You'll code and process claims for forms of payment, ensuring all the information is supplied before eligible payments can be made, and you'll research and analyze any claims issues. So this is a non-phone healthcare billing job. It does require a high school diploma, but no college degree is required. They are looking for someone who has 3 years of experience in internal claims or a combination of education and experience to provide an equivalent background. So they do want someone who has a billing or coding or healthcare background already, someone who has good oral or written communication skills. You have to have your own high-speed internet and, of course, a quiet workspace. And you have to be able to work an 8-hour shift Monday through Friday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Now, this position does pay very well. It pays anywhere from $16.48 an hour all the way up to $32.95 an hour. And I have had people in the comments ask about pharmacy tech jobs before, so I made sure to include this. So right now would be a good time. If these positions have not been for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And also, if these are helpful, please like and share this video. But they also have an open position for a pharmacy technician to work from home. Now, you'll verify member information and input the data for the actual pharmacist. You'll educate members on pharmacy-based rules related to prescriptions and Medicaid resources and assistance programs. You'll also process any prior authorization requests from doctors' offices and provide resolutions to grievances and appeals. So most of this sounds like it's going to be doing the appeals and grievances and authorizations. Is going to be non-phone, but you will have to work with the member, so there may be times you pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls. They are looking for someone that has a high school diploma or equivalent and at least 1 year experience in a pharmacy, and you can have a combination of education and experience. They will require you to have a certification for pharmacy for the states required. Unfortunately, for this position, they did not list the rate of pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.